Welcome to Fit and Fabulous. Starting your fitness journey can be exciting and overwhelming at the same time, but don't worry. Today we'll share the top 5 beginner-friendly workouts that are easy to follow and effective in getting you started on your path to a healthier you. Let's jump right in. First on our list is walking. It's simple, free, and one of the best ways to ease into exercise. Start with 20 to 30 minutes a day at a pace that feels comfortable. Not only does walking improve your cardiovascular health, but it's also great for mental clarity. Next, we have bodyweight squats. They're perfect for building lower body strength and improving your balance. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, keep your chest up, and lower your hips like you're sitting into a chair. Aim for 10 to 15 reps to begin with. Planks are an excellent core workout for beginners. Start by holding a plank position on your hands or forearms for 15 to 30 seconds. This move strengthens your core, shoulders, and back, helping to improve your posture and overall stability. Fourth on our list is modified push-ups. If regular push-ups feel too challenging, begin on your knees. This exercise targets your chest, arms, and shoulders while building upper body strength. Start with 5 to 10 reps and increase as you progress. Finally, don't forget stretching. A simple 5 to 10 minute stretching routine helps increase flexibility, prevent injury, and improve muscle recovery. Focus on major muscle groups like your legs, back, and arms to feel your best. And there you have it, 5 beginner-friendly workouts to kickstart your fitness journey. Remember, consistency is key, so start slow and build up at your own pace. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fit and Fabulous for more tips and workouts. See you in the next video.